Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Gonna be working on my wife's '07 Jeep Liberty. She's been getting a check engine light on the Jeep for about 3 years now, and we've been lucky where we've been able to get it cleared right before we have to get it smogged. So in any case, the check engine code was P0457. And what that refers to is the emission controls, I believe it is. It has to deal with your gas tank and fuel vapors. So there's a few things you can replace to fix this remedy. I'm going to start with the easiest ones I can. And then once those are fixed, if I still have the code, it's probably going to be one of the vacuum lines going to the fuel tank and into the engine bay. It's going to be a mess trying to track it, but I'm hoping it's one of these 3 modules that'll fix the problem. So let's take a look at what I got. As always, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom to see notifications on upcoming videos. Alright guys, so first off, an easy fix would be to just replace the gas cap. I've replaced this gas cap probably about 4 years ago. I'm not suspecting that it is the gas cap, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it just because it's an easy fix. This thing was about 18 bucks. It is a Mopar piece. The reason why I'm sticking with Mopar is because it's factory, and a lot of vehicles nowadays you have to stick with the factory parts, otherwise you'll have issues. So here is the Mopar number. There you go. I got these off of Amazon. Like I said, it was about 18 bucks for this guy. So we're easy fix. Just unplug this part and screw it on. So you got that. A couple things to note on this. On her vehicle, it does have a signal on the dash that says gas cap every now and then. So I'm thinking it's going to be this. If that doesn't fix the problem, it's probably the charcoal filter. Okay, this is basically it takes the fumes out of your gas tank, but does not release it to atmosphere. So there's actually charcoal in there that soaks up the fumes. So if you overfill your gas tank, you will be ruining this guy, because it will go down one of the vent lines into here, and you've then ruined it. You do not want liquids in these. You cannot clean them out with water. You cannot clean it out with acetone or any other type of solvent. Best thing to do is, from what I've been reading, is you can blow it out with air, and that'll help blow out any particles that get stuck in one of these 2 orifices. But as far as interior goes, you do not want any liquids in there. Okay. Third thing that I'm going to replace would be the solenoid. This solenoid controls when this should open and close, or let the vapors in, let the vapors out. Okay. So part number for the charcoal filter, again, this is Amazon. And then the part number for this solenoid, so I'm hoping that the gas cap will fix it, but if not, I'll be replacing this guy. This guy was, if I recall, was 80 bucks, and then this guy was about 40 bucks, somewhere in there. So start with the cheapest and work my way up and see where we go with that. Hopefully I don't have to use it all, but if I do, that's the way it goes, and the check engine light will be cleared, and I'll be able to smog the vehicle. So for those of you out there that don't live in California, good for you. California sucks, and this is what we have to deal with. So I'm going to go ahead and tear into the vehicle and we'll get you guys set up out there so you can see what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got that check engine light cleared, and just remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, it's built, not bought. See you in the next one.